What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be doing a battery change on an Acura Smart Key. This Smart Key is going to take replacement battery CR2032. And the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom. That's done by pressing this release on the back and that'll allow the key to slide out. Now we're going to use the key to open this. You might find this easier to use a flathead screwdriver or something similar, but I'm going to show you how to do it with the key. What we're going to do is hold it with the buttons facing down to help keep them in place. Then we're going to stick the tip of the key in here just a little bit and then pry up on this metal piece right here. So I'm going to put it in there and pry up like that. So once it's started, you can go ahead and pull the back off. And now we can see our battery right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and use a flathead screwdriver just to help me get under the edge of this battery. Grab our new battery, and we wanna make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Snap that into place. Now, I'm just gonna kind of put some pressure on this with my finger and flip this over. And as you can see, that hold button has kind of slid out of place, so we need to go ahead and fix that. You might have more or all, or maybe you got lucky and none slid out of place, but just kind of line it up to where it needs to be. Make sure they're all lined up where they need to be. Go ahead and put that board back in there, and we can snap our back on. Okay. Make sure all the buttons stayed put. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.